Hey guys, what's up? This is my new place tour 2022. We are the first ones to live here. Everybody in this complex is just established this year. So this is the side closet real quick because we're moving things in as I speak. So see, you got the little ones in the way. Come on, get out of here. So yeah, got the side closet is pretty tall. Everything is black, which is my favorite color, and I love it. We got the temperature thingy here, the lights. This you need a key to unlock that. The door, of course, and then we have the first room here. The ceiling fan is really nice. We're gonna turn the lights off in here. I love that it has outlets everywhere. And then this is the closet. Oh my god, it has a little window. Cut the lights on in the closet. Okay, and the little window right there is so cute. Now the other place space, I mean this would do, but the other place space was, you know, up y'all in the dark. Sorry, was bigger, but you can come through the bathroom that way, or you can come through like the kitchen way. But this is the bathroom, guys. Love this. So nice. So nice. And then the toilet, of course, and tissue holder. And then we have the drawers. They don't slam, nothing slams, so when you close it, automatically closes. So that's that. And now let's go into the living room and kitchen area. So before I show you guys the let me show y'all the living room area real quick. So this is the living room, which is probably gonna have the TV here, of course. Ceiling fan, the den area, and then you have my favorite part of the house. Hey little one, can you move back, sir? We have the island, love it. We have the fridge, which nothing is in here. I did online pickup. Nothing's in here. We have the flat counter top stove, microwave, and these tall cabinets. I love this. Love it. And then you have the washer and dryer connection. I love this because I don't like when places have their own washer and dryer unless I was the first person to move in here. And then you got the trash can, your little free trash can that comes with it. So yeah, that's that. And then this is the kitchen. So nice. I'm trying to get some good angles because this camera is not doing no justice. The details of this is so pretty. And then here is like a little pantry. Whatever. It'll be so much better if somebody was recording me. And then we have a little thank you. And then like pizza. And then they gave us a bag with some candies. A mug with the, you know, the name of the place. I'm not gonna show that. And then something for our dog. even though we didn't list a dog, we have a dog though. So yeah, and it says thank you. So yeah, that's that. And to show you the other, well, the other room has a lot of stuff in here, so we're just gonna show you the bathroom. So here is the bathroom. But I ended up choosing the wrong unit, and then I wasn't worried about it because I'm like, I'm trying to fucking move. So the same thing. So the other unit that I was gonna get, it had double sinks, but I ended up choosing the wrong unit, and it was just time for me to hurry up and move. So I was like, fuck it, as long as it got the walk-in shower, I'm good. So yeah, the detailing on this. And yeah, we done, because this room, see, we got like a lot of stuff going on here. So yeah, so that is my new place tour, guys. This is gonna be fun recording in here. So let me know if y'all like it, what videos y'all want to see, and yeah, we gotta go. So hey y'all, I'm in Best Buy looking for a washer and dryer, and I'm just browsing through other stuff. I need some cameras for the house. Washer and dryer, like I said, I want an iPad. Maybe what is, oh, I'm on live too. But yeah, I'm in Best Buy. Now I'm looking for the iPads and stuff. Where are the cameras at? I need a new camera too. Why they keep doing drive-bys in my room? Y'all, I'm on Bigo Live. Let me go look for these these cameras and other gadgets and things and get up out of here. Okay, oh, he got some, I'm not looking for that though. Oh, he got the laptops over here. Okay, but I'm looking for the iPad though. The iPad. Ain't nobody said hey when you walk in. No customer service skills. Yeah, iPads over here. So I'm about to look at this stuff. And oh, I need the one with the little pad to come with it. That's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna look at this and I'll be right back. I have this Firehouse Sub sandwich. It's Italian with no onion, white bread, so yummy. Here we go, guys. So this is the ribs before the barbecue sauce, and then the collard greens and the macaroni. The microwave. And I'm on live. So let's put the barbecue sauce. Let me call my people in here. Oh, y'all can't see. Hey. All right, let me call my people in here. Hold on. All right, I just told him. I told him to come back. Oh, you guys, this is what I purchased from the girl. Bigo, y'all like my shirt? I'm hella tired. Whew. So, cooking and welcome back. All right, I'm about to add the barbecue sauce. Okay, here we go. It smells so good. And done. Hey guys, so my washer and dryer just came yesterday, which was Thursday. So of course it's brand new. It's Samsung And I was gonna, I think I recorded it. I think I was recording in there. It was between Whirlpool and Samsung. But I like the fact that this didn't have like the little paper shit up there. I don't know. And it was like $100 cheaper, so I went with this. I like the fact that it don't slam down. And then dryer has a little light in it. This is a big dryer. Big dryer. Well, the washer's big too, but yeah, so Samsung. I'm about to wash some clothes right now, so but let me show y'all. But yeah, so that's that. All right, y'all, let me see. Oh. Keep going delicate rinse spin only use 7. Stop, Mary. Stop. Heavy duty normal. What the fuck? Oh. Y'all, I gotta figure out how to work this thing. I'm trying to do normal, motherfucker. Y'all, let me just look at the motherfucking thing, cause I never had one like this. So, oh no, what did I do? What did I do? Look, let me get off here. Oh, that's cute. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Oh. It's sensitive too. No, I want to do normal. God damn it. What? Oh, bro, he's doing this. Okay. Y'all, look at me. All right, let's get this thing popping. Let's get the washing, y'all, cause whew. Nah, okay. Okay, so drying is already set. Y'all probably like, girl, the thing is blue the whole time. It's right here. Okay, that's cute. I'm about to wash it, okay? Hey guys, so I'm getting my pickup now. What does this thing say? What number? We're gonna do 3, guys. 3. And then done. So that's all you have to do for a pickup, guys. He's struggling with my order. I always order big as fuck. Trying to see how I'm put this up. Wait. Y'all, I cannot do a thumbnail to save my motherfucking life. I'm so tired. I'll be back. I gotta clean up the closet. Don't pick my people. I'm gonna be working out on you. Don't pick my motherfucking people. Now you need to get me to my 3rd star for picking people. I'm about to sweep, guys. Here you go, y'all. I'm trying to put all this stuff up. You need to give me the 3 stars. And then I put some stuff up already, guys. Stuff is already up. I hope it can fit. I gotta rearrange stuff. There's nothing in here yet. That's why I had to go grocery shopping. So yeah. I don't know. Y'all see? Hey, little man, thanks for helping. Alright, y'all, here's the refrigerator. Got some tilapia now. Don't be talking about me in this damn tilapia now. I got some tenders, some fries, some, that's not noodle. Corn, that's not noodle. I got some ribs, I got some oxtails, I got some steak, macaroni. That's in the back there, that is Salisbury steak and lasagna. This is the only oven food I love this type of macaroni. I'm gonna start making my own soon, but I got that Hot Pocket sausages, chicken, pork chops. I don't even. That's been in my freezer for about 2-3 months. I probably never cook it. I need to give it away. Got that just to. I don't even know. And then woo. What is it? Wait. The little noise, y'all. I had to get these chocolate. We got us some Lunchables. We got some ground beef. You know, we got some ranch and all that other stuff. Hella bags. I'm not done with the refrigerator. I'm not done shopping in general. It's just that this closet versus the closet that I had, that's why I wanted to see. Y'all seen my closet before. Y'all had to. Boy, this is hella small compared to my fucking closet that I had. I mean, my little pantry thing that I had. My pantry was like this. And the other place, it was like on this side. It was literally on this side. It was this stuff. And on the other side of when you walk in the door, it's like a big ass roll. Like you can just, y'all, what I'm gonna do? I don't know, I'm gonna figure something out and then I'm gonna update y'all. But this camera finna down, finna hit the shower, and I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I got some wine glasses. Guess what? They was on clearance for $4.48. Yes, $4.48. They was originally like $19, $20, but I checked them out. They look good, so I got them. Show y'all what it looked like before I put them up. Cheers. So we got some potato soup. Oh, my shit finna die. Lemon juice, garlic, minced garlic, butter. Crab legs. They didn't have my stir-fry rice, chicken stir-fry rice, and then I got some wings.